Now let's see the nested tuple. We can also use the nested tuple. So suppose we have tuple T1. Inside that we have the items like 12, 13, 14 and 15 are the items. There are 4 items. There is another tuple which is T2, and let's say inside T2 we have 16, 17, 18 and 19. These are two tuples. Now inside this T2 tuple I want to nest T1. So how to write that? Let's put here the round brackets also, and I want to nest T1 inside T2. So I'll write T1 as the first index at of T2. T1 is present at the 0th index, 16 is present at the first index, 17 is present at the second index, 18 as the third and 19 as the fourth. So when we are nesting a tuple inside the other tuple, it means that at the particular index whole tuple is present there. So if I am trying to run the whole T2, I want to check what is T2. So run the code and see. Now 12, 13, 14, 15 is in itself, it is a tuple. Then we have 16, 17, 18, 19. Now what if I want to check what is present at the 0th index? So in order to access the item, so it is about the accessing the item. We use the slice operator in order to access the item. So here we are accessing the item which is present at the 0th index. And when I run the code, so it is going to give me 12, 13 and 14 and 15 which is present as the 0th index. Okay, now we can also do one thing. We can make it one whole tuple, and let's run the code now with only T2. We are trying to print the whole tuple. So here we have only 2 items now. In this tuple T2 we have only 2 items. One is T1 and one is the tuple of 16, 17, 18, 19. So if I want to print, suppose 0th index value, what is present at the 0th item, I want to access that and run the code. Then it says 12, 13, 14, 15. We already have seen that at 0th index we have T1 and T1 is 12, 13, 14, 15. Now what if we want to check what is present at the first index? So let's change 1 to 0 to 1. Now at first index we have 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's run the code. So it is printing 16, 17, 18, 19. It means that we have only 2 items in the list. First is containing the T1 tuple itself and the other is containing the other tuple which is 16, 17, 18, 19. And T2 is the combination of these 2 tuples. So we have nested T1 inside T2. What if we want to check second index? There is no such index. So it might give error. Let's run the code. Yeah, so it is giving us error that index out of range. Why? Because we don't have any second index. At 0th index T1 is there, at first index this value is there, but there is nothing present at the second index. Okay, so this was about the nested tuple.